Did you know ancient Rome taxed urine? Yes, you heard that right. Urine was a valuable commodity. Picture a bustling Roman street. Alongside the grand temples and markets, you find public urinals called forcae, where citizens, young and old, relieve themselves. Why was urine valuable? Well, the answer is chemistry. Urine contains high levels of ammonia, an excellent cleaning agent. Roman launderers, known as fullers, eagerly scooped it up to clean and bleach woolen togas. Fullers' workshops lined the streets, churning out fresh, snowy white garments. By treating them with, you guessed it, human urine. With such demand, the Roman state saw an opportunity. Enter the vectigal urinae, the urine tax. Official collectors would gather coins from businesses and entrepreneurs who harvested the public urinal's precious liquid. Picture it, a line at the public urinal with a collector standing by, watching fullers loading jars onto carts and coins changing hands for each collection. Not only did this mean that public urinals helped keep Rome clean, but they also filled the state's coffers. Even emperors got involved. The Emperor Vespasian famously justified this unlikely tax by declaring,
Pecunia non olet.
a phrase still repeated today. So next time you think taxes are strange, remember the Romans. In the streets of Rome, everything had a price. Yes, even the contents of the city's public urinals.